How to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on Android phone. First thing you need to do here is to click Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you found here update, just click on it and now go to settings, click apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, and once you're here click permissions, make sure storage is allowed, and then click force stop, go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Your problem now is fixed. Just restart your phone, try again, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.